I want to share with you what OCA has been working on.
OCA Greater Phoenix started operating in 1998, interacting with local community, promoting civic engagement, and developing leadership programs among youth.
Recognizing May as AAPI Heritage Month would be a step forward to shining a light on the rights, needs, and dreams of refugees so that they can build roots and thrive in our nation.
This community, I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.